Yeah, my yo.
Check what you
I mean, every one buckle at time I see me girl.
What kind of name? What kind of
I want to you dog, you know.
I want to you.
Brother, I don't want a man see me woman in no argument.
Bad man, I want to you. I want like you, I girl, bad man.
Stop and pray me girl when you
No
see me
girl enough for no one man. I know what I heard the boy. I want
Pussy,
you.
where you say?
No girl enough for no one man.
But you want to fuck your wife, fuck up, girl and see me and run and laugh off of me. You see me woman and pass down, boy. I love you from one night, woman. You hear me tell you? Brother, I come here to kill you, man. Kill someone, boy. Me boss me gun for me girl. I want to you. If you see someone run to boy. Me don't want no man to see me girl and
boy, let's find us with the chopping.
I tell you, it's been a run with people. You see my girl. Dog, when I see me girl, me don't want no argument with me girl, brother. You see me, when I see me woman from one side and run, brother, you take the next side and go and go and buff that business. Yeah. Go see me kill you in the bottom, boy. I want you. Me need to laugh with people, boy. When I see me girl, you know. Me don't want no man to see me girl and argument with me girl, you know. When I see me girl on the left, take it right, brother. We are Kingston, me go for me girl, you know. Hey, I'm sure you see me here, but you boy. I'm sure you see me here. Tell us what's up.
Yeah, hey, Batty boy, boom, cutting a door half of me, half of you.
Whoa!
Go fuck you up in the
No,
brother.
sir.
You bad boy.
Salah Fadil.
Fuck you up in the brother. Them boy, they don't know nobody, daddy. I want for them boy. Come for your brother. Tell me, I tell you. Man, come for your brother. So them boy, they don't know nobody. Them boy, they are beat. Tell me, I tell you. Them boy, they don't know what go on in the brother, but I be a worry to go on. Them boy, they know nothing about war. Yeah, tell me, oh man, clear. Yeah, who's down? No guy easy, no brother. Brother, no guy easy, no brother.
Batty boy, you bad man.
Brother, no guy easy, no brother. Pussy, beat up him up. Beat up him up.
Viewers and subscribers, as you already know, this is just an act. It's not real, it's a fictional scenario. You see it of things that happen on a day-to-day basis. And guess what? Sometimes to avoid a quarrel or an argument, it's best to just walk away.
Yeah man, turn away and walk away, man. I right thing today, you see me? Because more while you stay some boom and build back and hold your argument, see my G, flare up. You never know why they ever tell us if you do in a G. You see me? Because you tell the next man sitting in there. And you don't know what go on a fee mine in there. You see me, G? In a real life, you hear me tell you? Start sitting big.
For real, cause you know sometimes you may not know what a person has got through at that particular moment, you know? And the least little thing can just trigger off a big old reaction. And next thing you know, somebody end up dead, somebody end up going to prison. You know, the most tragic things can happen. So relate to each other, talk about the issues and try to resolve it in the most civilized fashion. Sometimes the best thing is to do is not to say anything or just walk away from an argument, you know?
True.
In a realest way. So guess what, Guano? The moral of the story is do whatever is necessary to preserve your life and others, and also to take yourself away from trouble in the realest way. You see it? And watch now, it's a small world. This brother, I'm living in the same community, seeing, and it just so happened that him father and my father are two best friends in the realest way. You see it? And a while ago, I just approach Pari and tell him, say, yo, I want to deal with that one video skit for me. And the brother say, yeah. And when I tell Pari, say, yo, lick me the machete, Pari, I say, yo, me is not a violent man, brother. I don't know how to do that. You see me? You know, really, you see it? So it's really good for know, say, I can actually find people in my community who know, say, violence is not the way to go. You see me? I say, so big up yourself, my brother. You don't know, you see it?
Bless up,
yeah, man. Blessed.